Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Genuinely Intellectual. First of all, thank you so much for stopping by, and secondly, today we will be continuing with the concepts of slopes. Now, I have got some feedback from different people about my previous video that I was going a bit too fast with the explanation of the concept. So this time I will try to make it a bit slow so that it's easier for you to understand and grasp. Now, today we will be discussing few more concepts of slopes. I have already discussed about some of the formulae and important concepts in my yesterday's video, so please do go and check that out. Today I will be discussing a few more concepts. They are not much, just a very few which are remaining. Now the first important concept is types of slopes. So there are four main types of slopes. The first type is vertical slope, the second type is a horizontal slope, the third type is negative slope, and the fourth type is positive slope. Now whenever we talk about the horizontal slope, that means the slope of a horizontal line. Slope of the horizontal line is always zero. Now why it's zero, I'm going to explain you now. As you can see in this diagram, the y coordinates are the same throughout. Therefore the difference y2 minus y1 will be zero throughout, no matter which 2 points you take. Therefore, as the formula of the slope goes, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, because y2 minus y1 is 0, the slope of the line will be 0. Hence, the slope of an absolutely horizontal line will always be 0. Now, the slope of an absolutely vertical line will be not defined. Why will it be not defined? I think you have already guessed the answer, because the difference in the x coordinate is 0. Now, as per the formula of slope calculation, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. If x2 minus x1 is 0, that means the denominator of the formula is 0, then the slope will be not defined. Because you must be aware of this thing, that whenever there is a fraction and the denominator is 0, the fraction actually is not defined. Therefore, the slope of a perfectly vertical line is not defined. Now, talking about negative slopes. Negative slopes are actually, negative slope is actually the slope of a line which is going downwards, which is kind of tilted downwards. So as you can see in this diagram, the line is tilted downwards. Therefore, the slope is negative. Now, why it's negative, I'm going to explain you now. Actual formula for slope, as we have discussed many times now, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now, what is y2 minus y1? y2 minus y1 is the difference between the y coordinates, and it's also known as rise. x2 minus x1 is the difference between the x coordinates, and it's also known as run. So the new formula for slope that we have in picture is rise over run. Now rise is the amount of the rise that the line has taken place from its original position. How much the line has risen, as the word suggests. Run is the amount, actually the position of the line that has changed, the amount of the change in the position from the original point for that line. Now in this figure, as you can see, in a negative slope there is no rise at all. The line is actually going downwards, it's tilted downwards. Therefore the rise is negative, and hence the slope is negative. Now for a positive slope, a line will always go upward. It will be slanting upwards. Therefore there is a lot of rise in the line. Hence, y2 minus y1 will be positive, and same will be x2 minus x1, because as y rises, x also rises along with it. Therefore, the slope of that line will be positive. I hope I have made it clear, and if you have any doubts or concerns, please do reach out to me either in the comment section, or you can just send me an email. I hope you have enjoyed this session. We have officially completed slopes today, so tomorrow maybe we will be starting simultaneous equations. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked my video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. I will see you again in the next class. Bye!